Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 16th of May. And today we had another fun day in the markets. The markets did gap up, moved a little lower only to take off and find an area of resistance and sell down and kind of chop around the rest of the day. Today we had 6 trades. All of them were successful. We were working in a maximum profit potential of 12 points or 48 ticks. And because we used multiple contracts, our actual entries and exits resulted in 14 points or 56 ticks. Let's round that down a couple points. Let's say 10 points. You're looking at $50 a point. That's $500 for 2.5 hours worth of work. Definitely not too bad. Let's get started here. We had some news come out before the bell. The building permits, housing starts, for the most part, better than expected. And we had some good numbers before the markets. At, around this period here, we had the ECB come out saying that they were going to go away from their standard, giving money to the banks, mainly Greece, stuff like that. And the euro tanked, the market tanked. It really did begin to get ugly. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's talk about our trades on the day. Right when the market opened, about 30 seconds to a minute, we did grab along and ride that up a little bit, taking a little profit. And then we watched the market, then we grabbed a short over here, and then we rode that down a little bit, taking some profit. And watching the market move around, we did grab along over here, rode that up a little bit, taking some profit, and turned that into a short over here, taking a little bit of profit on that. Long over here, taking some profit. And then we just watched the market move basically, and then we grabbed a short over here, rode that down, taking some profit, and watched the market chop, and then it actually did end up buying up a little bit, and you can see right now we're down here. So it is what it is. 14 points is definitely very, very good day. Very nice day. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the S&P 500 futures market, which is my favorite market to trade. I really do enjoy it. The intricacies of the market, it's always changing. The market dynamics are always changing, and it's fun to go with the changes. It's always a different market. It's always different every day. There's not the same exact trade setting up every day. It's the market's always going to be a little different, which I think makes it a lot of fun, makes it very challenging. And that's one of the things that I love. I love competition, I love challenges, and the market really does give you that. The market is it's not the easiest thing in the world, like a lot of people try to make it seem. Take this trading course, you'll be profitable next month. A couple people might be able to do that, but most people are not going to be able to do that. And even trading signals is difficult. But most of that signal trading, stuff like that, I've tried it, and not to say that it's all BS, but most of it is. And that's why I don't teach that. I don't teach, green arrow, red arrows. I teach people how to read the market, how to decipher, the moves and stuff like that, and how to take trades based upon that. Follow the larger money, or stuff like that. So it's not trading signals. I just, I don't like that. I've had a couple questions about that, or a couple questions about stuff that I don't use, and that's why I don't use indicators, especially day trading. They're very lagging, and like this move here, like let's say you would have gotten short on the indicator because the market was moving lower, you got short and then you just got taken out. It's, or like right here, some news came out, dropped the markets. It's trading on indicators is, it's lagging. It's not conducive to consistent profits. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, trying to be political with my statement, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna set up here and teach something that I know doesn't work. And I've met a couple people out there that they have a couple things that they watch and they do fairly well, but they know everything about it. And most people that I know trade, that do trade futures, trade a similar style to me. The my friends and whatnot. So it's something that it is going to take some time to learn. It's not going to be you come into the room and you're an automatic millionaire. Or, in your first year you're going to turn $2,000 into $1 million. It's trading is not like that. It'll never be like that. Yeah, there are a couple books out there where somebody has turned $3,000 into a couple billion. But for every one person that does that, there are 100,000 people that do the total opposite. They take 3,000 and turn it into zero, and then they take another 3,000 and turn it into zero. And so reading those books, it does put a lot of hype out there in the market, and I think that kind of builds the industry of a lot of what people teach are just, it seems kind of fake to me. Like a lot of people sell indicators. That's one thing I will never do because I really do not believe in it. They basically rent you an indicator that you can use to trade off of, and then when you quit paying the money, you don't have the indicator anymore. Or maybe they sell you an indicator that you're not able to see the code, and they just want to sell you something. And it's something I really just don't believe in. I teach a price action system, how to read the markets, how to interpret it for yourself, so that way when you leave my coaching, you'll be able to trade on your own. And there's no set indicators to watch. There's no stochastics or MACDs or any of that crap. So you're set up for success. That's what trading should be about. I think that's what it's all about. You want to be able to trade the rest of your life and be successful at it. I think that's the main thing that everyone wants out of trading. They want to be successful at it. They want to be able to make money, and they want to be able to do it for a living. And then when they have kids, they want to be able to teach their kids. I think that's what trading's all about. That's the way I view it. And this website and with YouTube gives me a forum to be able to talk and show what I've done and what is possible. And I do get a lot of feedback, so I see that people enjoy that and they want the same thing. I know I've gotten a little long-winded today, but hopefully everyone enjoys it. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the news for tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a fun day. At 8:30 in the morning, we do have unemployment claims, which is always fun. We're looking for 368 versus 367. Also at that time, to make it a little more fun, Geithner's going to speak. 8:30 in the morning, which is an odd time for him. And then at 10 o'clock, we do have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. We're looking for 10.3. Prior reading was 8.5. Also at 10 we have the CB leading index looking for 0.1% versus 0.3%. And then 10:30 natural gas storage. It's kind of an ant number. It doesn't really matter unless you trade natural gas. But anyway, they're looking for 25 billion. Prior reading was 30 billion. So that's what's going on there. We do have European holidays, so we could get quite a bit of news out of Europe just because it is a holiday. The rumor mills will probably begin working, so that could be interesting there. Anyway, hope everyone did enjoy this video. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate the support. Of course, if you have any questions, upper right hand side of the website, don't hesitate to send me out anything, questions, comment, feedback. I enjoy reading it all. With that, I do appreciate the support. Have an awesome day. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks.